Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so massive that it could fit all the other planets inside it and still have room to spare. Its diameter is about 11 times that of Earth, making it a true giant among planets. It is a gas giant, made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. These gases create the planet's thick atmosphere, which is home to some of the most violent storms in the solar system, including the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has been raging for centuries. Jupiter is a very bright object in the night sky. Its brightness is due to its large size and its highly reflective cloud tops, which reflect sunlight efficiently. You can even see it without a telescope. On a clear night, Jupiter can be one of the brightest objects in the sky, outshone only by the Moon and Venus. Jupiter has been known since ancient times. Ancient astronomers observed its movements and recorded its position in the sky, fascinated by its brightness and size. It is named after the king of the Roman gods. In Roman mythology, Jupiter was the god of the sky and thunder, a fitting name for such a colossal and powerful planet. Jupiter has a very strong magnetic field. This magnetic field is much stronger than Earth's and creates spectacular auroras at the planet's poles, similar to the northern and southern lights on Earth. This field traps charged particles from the Sun. These particles interact with Jupiter's atmosphere, creating intense radiation belts around the planet. This creates belts of radiation around Jupiter. These radiation belts are so strong that they pose a significant hazard to spacecraft and any potential human visitors. Jupiter also has a faint ring system. Unlike the bright rings of Saturn, Jupiter's rings are made of small particles of dust and ice, making them difficult to see. The rings are made of dust and ice. These particles are thought to come from meteoroids that collided with Jupiter's small moons, creating a delicate and beautiful ring system. Even a small telescope can reveal Jupiter's beauty. When you point your telescope at the night sky, Jupiter stands out as a bright, shining object. It's one of the most rewarding planets to observe. You can see Jupiter's 4 largest moons. These moons, known as the Galilean moons, were first observed by Galileo Galilei in 1610. They are fascinating to watch as they orbit around the giant planet. These are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Each of these moons has its own unique characteristics. For instance, Io is known for its volcanic activity, while Europa is believed to have a subsurface ocean. They look like tiny dots of light near Jupiter. As you observe them over time, you can see their positions change as they orbit the planet. With a larger telescope, you can see details on Jupiter. The planet's atmosphere is full of intricate patterns and colors that become more apparent with better equipment. You can see the Great Red Spot. This massive storm is one of Jupiter's most famous features and is larger than the Earth itself. This is a giant storm that has been raging for centuries. Scientists believe it has been active for at least 400 years, making it a truly ancient weather system. You can also see Jupiter's cloud belts. These belts are made up of ammonia clouds and other compounds, creating a striped appearance. These are bands of clouds that circle the planet. They move at different speeds and directions, creating a dynamic and ever-changing view. The cloud belts are different colors. This variation in color is due to the different chemicals and compounds present in the clouds. This is because they are made of different kinds of clouds. Each type of cloud reflects sunlight differently, giving Jupiter its beautiful and complex appearance. Callisto is one of Jupiter's most intriguing moons. It's the most heavily cratered object in our solar system. Callisto is about the same size as the planet Mercury. Unlike many moons, Callisto shows little geological activity. Its surface is ancient and heavily scarred by impacts. The craters on Callisto tell us about the early solar system. Section 4. Europa, an ocean world. Europa is another of Jupiter's large moons. It is one of the most intriguing celestial bodies in our solar system. It is slightly smaller than our own moon, but it holds many secrets beneath its icy surface. Europa is covered in a smooth, icy shell that reflects sunlight, making it one of the brightest objects in the night sky. Scientists believe there is a vast ocean of water beneath the ice, which could be twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. The ocean on Europa is thought to be salty, similar to Earth's oceans. which raises fascinating possibilities. It may contain more water than all the oceans on Earth combined, making it a prime candidate for the search for extraterrestrial life. Many scientists believe that Europa is one of the best places to look for life beyond Earth. The potential for discovering microbial life in its subsurface ocean is a tantalizing prospect that drives ongoing research and future missions. Section 5. Exploring the cosmos from your backyard. Looking at Jupiter and its moons is an amazing experience. It reminds us of the vastness of the universe. You don't need to be a scientist to appreciate the beauty of the cosmos. All you need is a clear night and a curious mind. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take some time to find Jupiter. Then, imagine the wonders that lie just beyond our planet.